Hey everyone, how is it going? In this video, we will explore the new feature of the SelectorsHub extension to generate Playwright Locators. SelectorsHub is a Locators plugin that can be installed in the Chrome browser. And recently, it introduced a new Playwright Locators feature. And in this video, we will play with it and see how it is working. So I installed SelectorsHub extension, and now whenever I right click an element in my browser, I have the option that you can see here that allows me to create a selector for this element. Apart from this option, when you open DevTools, you will also be able to see SelectorsHub tab here as well. So far, it provided the standard selectors option that rely on CSS selectors and XPaths, but now they introduced the Playwright selectors that will generate Playwright locators for us. So you can simply right click on a specific element, click on inspect, and all these locators will be updated accordingly. Simple, isn't it? For example, if I want to right click on this experience tab, click inspect, I will see page.getByRole link name experience. Now I want to make an experiment. I want to see the differences between this plugin and the native Playwright mechanism. Hence, I opened a Playwright project with the inspector, and we will try to generate locators both using Playwright and CSS selectors. In my example, I used SelectorsHub to generate a locator on the Experience tab in my website. I will do the same in Playwright. So, Playwright generated getByRole link name experience. SelectorsHub used getByRole link experience. For this specific example, they are identical. Let's try other elements. For example, this heading element. Pick locator. Playwright generated getByRole heading with the name and the given string. And let's see SelectorsHub. So Playwright uses getByRole and SelectorsHub uses getByText. For this specific example, I would go, in my personal opinion, with the one generated by Playwright. Let's try other ones. For example, the Contact Me button. SelectorsHub uses getByRole link using name, and I will see what Playwright does. getByRole, link, and the name Contact Me. And apart from what SelectorsHub generated, we can see that Playwright also added an exact true. So this would be the only difference so far. Let's make a third example regarding this LinkedIn icon. SelectorsHub generated multiple versions of this icon using page locator, the classic approach that accepts as arguments XPath values, CSS values, so on and so forth. Let's see Playwright in action. I will right click on this icon, pick locator, and it generated locator with a home, which is an ID, and additionally a get by role link name. I'm not very happy with this this value, but it was nice because it used locator and additionally the get by role method as well. However, I think any of these two approaches might fit our needs. Okay, yeah, so this is it. I like the new feature provided by SelectorsHub. It's very easy to be used in our normal workflows, and I encourage all of you having a look into it and tell me what thoughts you have in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Happy testing!